So today we are unboxing an iPad Air 11-inch, 256 gigabytes, an M4 chip. And I just got this at Best Buy to replace an old iPad mini that doesn't work anymore. And we're gonna unbox it. So I'm gonna flip it over. And that and that and all right. Let's get the see if I can. I'll get the
right here.
Oh, this side. Okay. All right. Let me get this. Oh, and
there's the instruction manual.
Instruction manual, of course. Gotta have one of those, or you could get those online. You know.
Yep.
And then here is the cube, or the thing you want to charge it with, and more stuff.
That's the USB-C cable.
USB-C, gotta have that. Very useful.
Right, that's all.
That's all in this box.
So let's
And I'll put this back here.
take the paper
And
off.
here is the result.
Well, let's see. Here we go.
Yeah. Well, I could have done that.
Oh, there you go.
I could at least take the paper. And look at that. Still did that. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Space Gray, right here.
I just hold it up and I'll do a little zoom around it.
And it is.
Flip it over.
Look at that. Yeah, I gotta flip it over. It also comes. We got a magic keyboard to go with it, so I can hook it up to it.
I'm gonna help you open this up. So
let me see if I can. Well, I mean, I'm sure I can.
Well, it's got tape all over it.
Oh, well.
Because it was an open box item, but we got a good deal on it.
And
so we're gonna just take the tape off. And we will attach it.
yes, we have to attach it. I got it right here.
All right, so open it up.
All right, and look at that. And it's got the keyboard right here.
Okay.
Now,
And then set this
set
this
it down,
here.
and we put the
And then you just attach it
right there.
Oh yeah, that's kind of nice.
Yeah, that actually is.
All right, close it down and open it back up for your viewers.
And this is right here, and we're gonna open right back up like that.
All right, so you want to just flip it on,
So,
start it up.
yep, let's start it up for the first time. Are you ready? Set, go. We're powering it up. Going to set it up.
And then we're going to take a pause. We're going to set it up, and we'll be right back.
All right, so we got everything all set up. Installed everything, did all the updates. And it's a pretty nice setup now. The updates took 20 minutes to install, and everything is set up. Now, this is an 11-inch screen. 11-inch iPad. It is a 10.86 inches in screen, but it is 11-inch, but not the screen isn't 11 inches. It also took 20 minutes to install updates because it had to install updates and do all this stuff that it needed. So now we're set up, and I'm gonna make sure that everything is working. Yeah. So let me just find where the home button is, and
Voiceover on.
Oh,
5:44 p.m.
so that's where I turn on
Actions
voiceover.
available.
So voiceover
Landscape.
is enabled.
Charge port to the right.
So let's unlock it.
Notes.
Oh, it's already
No mode.
unlocked.
Edit mode. Activate.
But the
Default.
keyboard
Swipe up or down to select a custom
keyboard isn't on, huh?
Next widget. Activate. Swipe up. Swipe.
Huh.
5:45 p.m. Swipe up or down to select a custom action. Settings. Search. Search
Oh,
field.
I see why.
Double tap to edit. Swipe search field.
Oh, so
Search
this
field.
it is
Is
working.
editing.
Okay.
Search. Search. Search field. Double tap to edit.
Let me go back out of here. It's been a long time since I used a keyboard on an iPad. I had to replace my old iPad mini because it no longer worked. It no longer spoots up anymore and doesn't do updates. It only works with iOS 15, and it was just no longer usable at this rate. It just didn't work. So as a result, that's why I got this, and the reason why I chose the M4 chip over the A17 chip is, well, it's more of an iPhone chip, and I think it would last longer and better.
Search. Dictate sidebar.
So yeah,
Family.
let's
Restore ready for
let's-
finish setting up. Ready for Apple Intelligence.
let's,
add Apple Care. Finish setting up your iPad. Add there are airplane.
let's see, what do we
Wi-Fi,
want to do?
METGEAR.
Everything is set, even the Wi-Fi and everything is set up on this thing.
Settings. Dock. Message. Safari. Music. Mail.
So
Calendar. Photo. Notes. Such app library suggestions.
let's go
Settings.
out of here
Unlike app switcher.
and
Calendar. Photo notes. Such app
see
library.
what's
App library. App such dock. Photo calendar. Mail. Music. Safari. Settings. Dock. Safari. Music.
let's
Safari.
see what's on Safari.
Start page. Address. Text field. Is editing. Search or enter website
We're
name.
gonna type
Character
in
mode.
note. Oops.
Alan Roach. Voice of the Stadium. ETON.
Oh yeah. notebooklm.google.com. Maybe.
Show edit. But start page. Customize start page. Start page. Customize your wallpaper and sections that appear when creating new tabs. Customize start page. Start page. Customize your edit. Show sidebar. Edit term. Not Safari. Not now.
No, get out of here.
Edit. Show sidebar. Edit. Helium candy color. Helium balloon release. Astronaut business stream. Custom show all. Custom reading list. Show Safari privacy or news button. I am top out Tokyo.
Let's
machine.
use-
Login. Voice Looney break. My time. Go animate old time. My ham radio contact time. Go for fire to 2 start natural. But show favorites. Close. Customize start page. Close. Show all. Button. Show favorites. But net star special video star largest required weekly test of WXK 0B start match button.
So, yeah, this is the iPad
Natural
mini.
Microsoft Voices,
This is
star
the
special video star largest
11
required weekly test
inch
of WXK
iPad, so
24
I think
left
it'll be
braces number
pretty.
1493 right brace. 0BW9Y
I think it'll be pretty
0
good,
81
and I'll have make sure everything is set up on this thing. So that's the unboxing of the iPad, the 11 inch.
Show sidebar.
So
Dim.
there you have it.
Edit. Show sidebar.
And
Back.
if you enjoy, please subscribe
Show side back.
and
Dim. Selected.
leave a comment. And I will chat at you later.